American Standard Water Heaters is a brand of the Ariston Group sold in North America. American Standard Water Heaters have evolved over the years. However, they've been consistent in providing the same quality and the same type of technology that plumbers have become accustomed to. So we build our product like they used to. At the same time, we're bringing cutting-edge technology into the marketplace. Ariston has been in the heat pump technology, water heating in Europe since 2008. So we're on our 7th generation of heat pump water heaters. Customers should choose American Standard water heaters. We have technology that's proven. We build product like they used to. It's very reliable, very durable, and we bring the technology that the market needs, like heat pump water heating technology.